Good day mga Kabayan Techers! This is your The Kabayan Tech, and again, it's another Tuesday. What we're going to do today is replacing a cracked screen iPhone 7 Plus.
Welcome. 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 Welcome.
Let's begin! So the things that we're going to need for this repair is the replacement screen with the adhesive. Okay? And we have the ESD13, we have the flat black stick, we have the pick, we have the screen remover, okay? And then we have the 340mm Y000 screwdriver and pentalobe. Okay, first thing that we're going to do, this is similarly same process as your iPhone 7. Makikita nyo lang there are some differences when it comes to the number of screws that you're going to take out. First thing that we're going to do is take out the pentalobe. Removing the screen is the same process. Ilalagay nyo lang po yung thin prior po in between the screen and also the edge of the case. I-wiggle nyo from side to side and then i-push down nyo po. And then wiggle from side to side until makita nyo hindi na ulit siya matatanggal. Then we push it from the right side going towards us, and then gamit po tayo ng pick para mailagay po natin yung pick. So be careful on this side, nandito po ang cable similar to your iPhone 7 and iPhone 8. Similar to the iPhone 7, nakahook po siya dito. So ang gagawin po natin is gently rock it from side to side until ma-open up niya na po and it opens like a book. Turn off the phone if possible. Next step is similar to your iPhone 7 again, is we're going to remove the battery plate and also the camera plate. Dito po gagamit po tayo ng Y000, so let's remove this part. Always remember kung saan nyo po tinanggal yung screw, doon nyo rin po siya ibabalik. Okay, and then we remove the battery connector, screen, and home button connector using the pointed edge of your black stick. Okay, and then we go on to this part po. We're going to remove 3 triple Y screws here, 1, 2, and 3. And then using the flat edge of the black stick, sa likod po tayo dadaan for the cable, put it in between and then titwist lang po natin, matatanggal na po siya. So the things that we're going to take out from this screen is yung front camera po at also yung home button po. Again, there are links, see the description about transferring the front camera and also the home button on my Troubleshooting Thursday videos po. So from the videos of our Troubleshooting Thursday, assuming na nailagay na po natin ang ating front camera and also our home button, we're going to put this one back doon po sa ating main phone. Lilinisin lang po natin ng konti itong mga edges na po ito. Gamit po kayo ng Q-tip, i-dip nyo po siya sa isopropyl alcohol at linisin nyo lang po yung sides. Purpose po nun is para dumikit po ng tama yung ating new adhesive po nilalagay. So here, what I'm using is a 3-layer. So I take out the outer one. So same process, corner to corner. And then I use my flat end of the stick para lang po ilagay po natin siya properly. And then from the tab here, I'm going to take out the second layer at iiwanan ko muna po yung third layer. Pag nalagay na po natin yung screen, then that's the time that I'm going to remove it. Okay? The first thing that we're going to put in is the home button cable. And then we're going to put back the display. Bago po natin ilagay yung battery cable, we're going to put back the camera cable. And then bago po natin ilagay yung mga cover, itest muna po natin yung ating. So, we turn on phone. And then we're going to test the Touch ID and also the front camera. Okay, so kung wala pong prompt na lumabas na unable to activate the Touch ID, then okay po tayo. Okay, double tap, lumalabas po lahat. And then yung Siri po, na-activate po natin. And then we're going to test the back and the front camera kasi nilipat po natin yon. Okay, and then we're going to put back everything. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put back the camera connector here, the camera cover. Then we're going to put back the battery connector. Okay. Then I'm just going to turn it on one more time para lang po matest natin kung everything is working as expected. So we don't need JCV1S here kasi po wala naman True Tone ng iPhone 7. Touch is working and then home button is also working. So ang gagawin po natin is tatanggalin na po natin itong adhesive natin. Again, para po ibalik natin yung screen, meron po siyang hook sa taas. Ipapasok lang po natin yung hook. And then we're going to push it a little bit forward para lang po mag-sit siya properly at wala kayong gap sa taas. Next is yung cable po dito sa gilid. This one, kailangan nyo lang po siyang i-push a little bit down. Okay? And then once na ma-push nyo na po siya a bit down, pwede nyo na pong isara yung mismo yung screen natin. Kung ayaw niya pong magsara, either tingnan nyo kung if there is something getting in the way or hindi lang siya masyado naka-push down. Okay? So there we go. So and then we press the sides para lang po dumikit. Is tatanggalin ko po ito. And I'm going to go onto this part para lang makita natin na wala pong black spots. Ibig sabihin ng black spots, meron po mga portion na nagpo-protrude dun sa screen at tumutulak. Kaya siya nagkakaroon ng black spots. Brightness po. Okay. Then the last part is to put in the security screws. And that's it mga Kabayan Techers. This is your The Kabayan Tech. Subscribe, click the bell button para malaman nyo kung may fresh tayong content. Thank you again and have a good day.